Good morning, girls. Good afternoon. Those who have your books, please open your books. Those who don't have your books, you have to write the page number and whatever we do in a copybook, and later you can complete it. Okay? Are you all listening to me, girls? Do you get that?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yep.
I don't need to remind again. Please turn on your cameras. Okay, before we start the first lesson, that is whole numbers, I want you all to see that what did we do in the last class. If you have remember, we finished with, I will tell you, page 3 and 4, we had vocabulary builders and rational numbers. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Page 3, we finished with page 3, and then we finished with page 4. Okay, we finish with this, the least number, that is the common factor, the greatest factor, the least common multiple. I told you about dividend, divisor. I told you about quotient, remainder. This all we have done before in our class. And once again, before I start my lesson, that is lesson 1, I will quickly show you the important one about dividend, divisor, and so here 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 is the dividend, 2 is divisor. As I told you, 4 is the queen-like quotient, and 0 is remainder. Or maybe if you have some number here, that's a remainder. Again, the first one is the dividend, your divisor, and the answer what you get is quotient. This you have already completed in last class. Today, we will start with the first lesson of this unit whole number. Okay. So please, girls, everyone turn to page 5. Turn to page 5. Page 5. All right. And I am going to explain you this on the white screen first, and then you can complete it. Don't forget to write. We are starting with lesson 1.1, divide multi-digit numbers. Don't forget to write the date today, that is 5th September 2021. Okay, please write down today's date, 5th September 2021. Okay. Now, as I will select 3 or 4 girls today for the timetables, let me start with Tina.
Yes.
Yes, girls, daily I will call out names for the timetables. Please, 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 you need to be very quick at timetables. Come on, Tina. 2, because here we need 2 and 9. 2, come on.
Okay.
2, 4, 6. Then, come on, more. Step 2, add 2 to each. 2 plus 2, 4. Yes, and then? Add 2, come on. 2, 4, 6, 8.
10.
Yes, next.
12.
12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Tina, I'm going to call you tomorrow again and you need to say me quickly, okay? Okay, Tina? Yes.
Okay.
Jana, can you just... Girls, there was a trick for 9 as I told you before. Start with the second line. 1, 2, 3.
I always do the 9 trick.
Yes. Even I used to love doing this.
Miss, also there is a trick for 8.
Okay, very good. You have to show us, okay?
Okay, but I forgot it truthfully.
So when you remember it, please show us. Okay, now here. So
Okay.
Tina, did you get how did I do for 9? Girls, if you don't know the trick for 9, please tell me. I will again show it to you because it's very important for you to know.
I know it. I know
Miss,
9 trick.
Miss,
Do you
I
want,
revised the whole multiplication table except 12.
okay. Do you want me to show anyone or do you know about 9?
Huh?
No, can you show me?
Who's this?
9?
Yuri.
Okay, Judy, see. You know, just leave the first one and start writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay? You started with 1 from up, but start with 0 from down. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay? Jury, okay?
Okay.
Now,
Yes, I understand.
now let me start because it's not
Can I
9,
tell
it's
you something?
92. And girls, first thing, just check. See, this is 92. This is the 2 numbers. See the first 2 numbers? It is 22. Listen to me carefully, step by step. And then I'm going to clear your doubts, your questions. First thing, check these 2 numbers. Okay, check it. Call out loudly. 92. 92 is greater than 22. When it is greater than, I need to underline the first 3 numbers. Okay. Now, let me check. When does it come? Let me check 92 times 2. 2 times 2, 4, and 2 times 9, 18. You have 184. Let me check 92 times 3. Oh, that's big. We have 220 and we have 276. I cannot take 276. It is bigger. So this is wrong. I cannot take this, but I can choose this. So let me just write down 92 times. Where should I write? Because there were 3 numbers I selected. I will write just above the 3rd number. No, not 99 times 3, 99 times 2. 99 times 2 gives me 184. Till here. Till here, did you understand?
Not really.
Yes. See, you have, again, let me erase it. You have 92 as the timetable, okay, 92.
Okay.
Now, you know that these are 2-digit numbers. Just compare the first 2-digit numbers here and compare the first 2-digit numbers inside here, in the dividend. 22 is very small. I cannot take 22. So I take the first 3 numbers, that is 220. Now I check 92 times 2 gives me what? 184. 92 times 3 gives me what? 276. And what do you have here? You have 220. 220. Now tell me, you will choose 184 or 276. You always choose a lower number, which is lower than 220. Always. I cannot take number bigger to this number.
Oh, okay. So we basically, first of all, we see the number, which is the number outside, which is the divisor.
Yes.
And then it's 92. So if the 2 numbers are less than 92,
I can go for it.
The first 3 numbers.
Yes.
And then we multiply.
If the two numbers, okay, is here, these 2 numbers have to be always lesser. not greater. If it is lesser, I take the third number also into consideration and I start checking them.
Okay, so we basically multiply the 2 by the 92 or any number that we have. And then
Yes.
if we get the number a little tiny bit lower, it's okay.
Yes.
If we get it a little...
You will check
more
with the other number, yes.
above.
Okay. So now, where am I writing 92 times 2 here? I cannot write here, no. You will write just above the number, the last number, that is 0 here. So you will just write above 0, that 92 times 2 gives me 184. Did you get this?
So we basically put the number that
Yes.
we,
and
like the last number that
yes.
we underlined.
And I minus it. So of course 0 becomes 10. Regrouping, girls. I cannot explain you the regrouping always. 6. Again, I need to regroup because so I have 36. And what comes down? Don't forget this. Don't leave this alone. 8 comes down. So I write this is the new one. Now you need to
regroup it.
Yes.
Okay.
So here 368. Now girls, you have 92 times 3 is 367, 276. Let me check 92 times 4. Oh, I got the exact one. 4 times 2 is 8. And 4 times 9 is 36. I got the exact
So we put the 4 above the 8.
Yes, and you write 368. And you got the exact. It's not important that you always get. You can get a remainder. So this is how you divide.
And then if there's a remainder, we put it above which number?
If you have a remainder also, you just put a remainder here and leave it out. Because you don't have further any number to make it down.
Yeah, I get it.
Okay. There's only one girl who's participating, rest others. Did you understand?
Yes, Miss.
I understood, but clearly understand.
One by one.
Yeah,
See,
maybe if we like solve
like
questions.
when you do more questions, when you solve by your own, okay, you are going to inshallah and do the same question at home. Today, sit 20 minutes. You remember the first day what I told you? Daily, you need to do math by solving the same questions what I did in my class other than your homeworks, okay?
Okay.
Girls, did you all copy this?
Yeah.
Please copy it in the side in your textbook or copy it one sticky note or your copybook, but you need to write the date and you need to copy it.
So we like bring the sticky note or something so we can remember.
Yes.
How did we do it?
Yes. Okay, now let me get back to your book. Let me get back to your book. And here, please, now you must see the book and complete it. It is the same what we did, girls, but it's step by step. They have shown you how is it. They have estimated it. They have estimated it because, as you know, when you round 2000, it becomes 200 and 92 becomes 100. You can use compatible numbers, it's 22. Girls, estimation is not that important. Focus more on division here, okay?
Okay.
Now,
Miss, why is there 100, not 92?
it's not, this is compatible numbers, dear. This is compatible numbers. This is estimation. You just take the nearby value. Like for 92, they took 100. And for 2208, they took 200. Compatible numbers. But you need to actually do this. This is the main thing what you need to do. I will even explain you compatible numbers. I did that in the first class. And compare your estimate. It's 22, but your exact answer is 24. You have your answer, 24. Now, 12749 divided by 18. 12749 divided by 18. Okay, get ready. 1, 2, 7, 4. Am I correct, girls, in the numbers, or did I do a mistake? 12749 divided by 12,000. Yes, 12,749 divided by 18. Now, girls, this is page 5. If I'm not wrong, it's page 5, right?
Yeah.
All right. Now, let me call out your name. Lamar,
Yes, Miss.
can you tell me the timetable of 8?
Miss, I studied only until 5.
Okay. Who can tell me the timetable for 8?
Yes, I know. I know the multiplication table.
Me, Amal.
Okay. Okay, Amal, can you tell me timetable for 8? 8, 16.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64,
Excellent.
72, 80.
Excellent, dear, excellent. Girls, daily you need to revise the timetable. Without it, you cannot go further. Okay?
Okay.
All of you girls. Now,
I do revise it.
okay, now 18. Let us start. I will choose a girl who's going to do this with me. Dana.
Me, please.
Dana?
Please.
Okay, wait.
Yes,
I'll
miss.
give you a chance. Dana, can I take 18 times? Can I start with 2 numbers here? Or no, I need to take 3 numbers.
3 numbers.
Why? Because 18 is less than 12. So I took, okay. Now let us start. Let us do with 18 times 5. Come on, tell me. 5 times 8.
Is 40.
Very good. And you have 90. Okay, let me check with 18 times 6. 6 times 8, what is it?
48.
Okay. 108. Let me check one more with 18 times 7. 7 times 8 is 56. Okay, I get 126. Wow, this is very close. 18 times 7 is 126. Don't you think this is the closest one? And it's less
Yes,
also?
miss.
Of course, the
Yes.
next one, yes. Then I put a minus sign. 1, I get it here. What comes down? 4.
The
But
4.
here, you cannot take the next number down. You need to put a 0. Don't, girls, here people do mistake. So please, what did I do, girls? Why did I take 0? Because 14 is less than 18. I cannot take 18 times 1. And I cannot even take the 9 down directly like this. I need to make one step, 0 and 0. 18 times 0 is 0. And you get 14. Now you can take 9 down. And then
You get 149.
now let us choose 8 because this is 126. Let us choose 18 times 8.
Miss, I don't understand where you got the 14.
Yeah, it's kind of complicated.
1 second. What do you do the step? See, let me erase it again when you don't get it. Let me erase. Okay, after this step, after I get 126, what am I supposed to do? What is the sign here?
That we put the 4 down.
Minus. No, 4 down is later. Before putting the 4 down, I need to minus this. When I minus this, 7 minus 6, what do I get?
7 minus 6 equals 1.
1. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. I leave it. Now you get 4 down.
Okay.
So now what do you have? 14. But 14 is less than 18. I cannot take 3 numbers here directly. I need to make a 0. 18 times 0 is 0. And I get again 14 when I minus this. 4 minus 0 is 4 and 1 goes down. Now you can bring easily 9 down because the step is over. 9, you have 149 and you have 144 near, which is very closer to 149.
From where did we get the 7 up there? From the number that we multiplied it with?
See, I tried 18 times 5, I got 90. I needed 127 on the nearby number. So I tried the next one, 18 times 6. I got 108. Then I tried 18 times 7 and I got 126. Then I minus 7 and 6, I got 1. I brought 4 down. But 14 was smaller to 18. So I took 18 times 0. This step.
Oh, so we put the number that we multiplied it with.
Yes, you put it up. Then.
So we multiply with any number that is until we get the closest?
Yes.
Okay. Like any number in the timetable of 8.
You check. You know, you check doing it. Yes. Now when I use 18 times 8, I get 149, which is closer to 144. And then I write down here 144. I'm so sorry. I'm just going so. Okay, 149. I need to write smaller because 149 and 144. And I have a remainder. What's the remainder, girls? When I minus it, what do I get?
5.
5. Excellent. I get 5. So this is the quotient. This is the, what you call as divisor. And this is the remainder. Okay, guys. Now, if I take estimate of 20, 18 is 20. And 1 minute. Estimate of 12,749 is almost like 13,000. Leave the estimate. Did you understand this at least?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you all copy it? Everyone?
Yes.
Please write down the page number and the question number. Don't forget.
Miss, where do we write it? Oh, okay, never mind.
Either in the sticky note or in the copybook, or you have space in your textbook right there. But this has to be there because this is the main thing how you solve it.
Okay.
May I erase?
No, wait.
Yeah.
Quick.
Okay, finish.
Miss, I have a question. Where do all the recorded lessons go?
Wait.
Where do?
All the recorded lessons go.
Which important lessons?
Record
Like when
it.
you record a lesson,
Recorded
like for
lessons.
example,
Recorded lessons are on your website. From today, I'm gonna put it on the website.
Miss, but where should
The new students, you can ask your friends, they will help you out where to see. You know, there in Arabic, I think it's view of lessons. You have views, lesson view, or, you know, we will ask Ms. Wala to make a short video so that they can guide the new students, all right?
okay.
Miss,
And we send to
can
your
you,
parents.
Miss, I did, in step 2, what do we write?
I will show you what to write. I will show you what to write. But did you finish writing this all?
Yes, like that.
Yes.
Okay, now let us go to your textbook.
Like that.
Nicely. See, this is how we write the remainder 5, that is R5. I want you all to solve everything, you know, at the side or something.
Miss, but why did we put 5 instead of 9?
Where do we need to put 5? My dear, 9 came down. See, 9 came down and then you did 18 times 8 is 41,444. The remainder is 5. I wrote R5. That means next to your answer, you write your remainder like this. See, if I go back here to my white screen, I write here remainder. I write here remainder R5. Always. If there is a remainder, you just write next to the quotient.
Okay.
Please complete this and see how you check your answer. If you want to check your answer whether you are correct, you will take the quotient, that is 708, and you will multiply with the divisor. Whatever answer you get, you will add the remainder. Why do we add the remainder? Because that is extra. You get your answer. This is to check your answer. Again, to check your answer, you take the quotient, you multiply with the divisor, that is 18. Whatever answer you get, like example, here I got 12,744. I add 5 to it. So that, why 5? Because the remaining is 5. And then if I get the same division, that is my answer was correct. Did you all finish?
Yes.
Miss, I solved it.
Everyone, did you finish?
Yes.
Can I go to next page, please?
Yes.
Yes.
I will call out 5 names to ask you to show me your books or copybook or wherever you have written. Good, this is for your graded classwork. Okay, let me call out. Jana, show me where you have done on your camera. Jana.
Okay.
Good, good. Dana, please show it to me. Dana. Very good. Haifa, show me where you have written, Haifa. 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 Okay. Haifa did not answer. Good. Your classwork will not be graded if you're not answering me. And your parents will be informed that you're not answering us. Okay, Judy Ala. Please show me your work. Judy Ala.
Yes,
Show me your work.
Miss, I'm doing it right now, but I didn't do the first one. I'm doing the down one.
No problem. Show it to me.
Okay. Wait.
Yes, Mario.
Yeah.
Yes, very good, Judy. Very good, Judy. Okay, like that, girls, I'm calling out randomly your names daily. If you will answer me, you will get your graded marks for classwork. If you will not answer me, I will not give you marks. Okay? Please, girls, you need to write at least by the end of the day. Now, question number 59,990 and 280. 59,990 and 280. Okay, let me just please help me with the question. It's page 6. And which question is that? Example?
Example 2.
Example 2. Okay, tell me 59,000.
59,290.
Is it 290? Okay, wait a minute. 290, yes.
Not 290.
No, 990.
90.
990. Is it this one?
Yes.
With divided by
280.
divided to 280. Is this correct, girls?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let us start. First thing, what did I ask you? To check. To
Miss,
check.
can I do it?
See, to check 280. How many digits are there? How many digits are there?
3.
3.
3. So I will check the 3 digits. Yes. This is smaller. And this is smaller. I'm happy. Wow. I'm happy. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Now, You will try to do 200 times 2. You will do times 2 and check. You get 560. Wow. So I will write 2 up here. I told you, write it at the last. And then I'm going to
And then
write
we're gonna write the
560. Now you will say, teacher, why didn't I check with 3? You can check with 3, but I know that it will be very much bigger.
yeah, it will be like a lot.
840, it's bigger. So anyways, I minus it. 9, and this is 3, this is 0, so I don't write. Next step, bring the neighbor down. If I bring this down, 1 minute, let me make an arrow mark. If I bring this down, it's 399. Okay, I can go with the, this is still bigger and this is still smaller.
Yeah.
Wow. So I will just take 280 times 1 because times 2 is big number. Okay, I minus it.
Miss, but
9.
why did we put the 1 up there?
See, now you have, after bringing 9, what number do you have? You have 399.
99.
Now I need to check 399 and 280. When I check 399, that is bigger number. So, okay, I'm okay. Now let me check 280 times 2. How much is 280 times 2?
560.
Can I take 560 here?
No.
No, it becomes bigger. So I need to take 280 times 1. Like I cannot.
Even though if it's not gonna bring us the same number.
Yes, it's okay. It's okay because you will have a remainder. See, I cannot take. Yes, I cannot take 560 because it is bigger. I need to take 280. So what do I do? This I write up 280 times 1 gives me 280. And then I minus it. I get 9 and 1. This is and 1. 9, 1, and 1. Now, what comes down? What comes down? No, don't mind. See, I minus it. After I minus it, I get 119. Now, what comes down?
The 0. The 0.
0. Now, I have a very big number.
It's
1190. Oh my God. Let me check with a bigger number. 6. Directly with 6. 6 times 0, 0. 6 times 8, 48. 6 times 2, 12. I get, oh, this is big. No, I cannot. Let me erase it. Let me check with...
Let's write 5.
5. Okay, let us do that.
Miss, I know. 4. I tried it in the work.
Yeah.
Oh, even this is bigger. I cannot take this. Okay, 2 times...
So we're gonna
Miss,
go
4. It works.
4, 8, 32. 4, 2, 8, 19. Okay, 1, 1, 2, 0. Yes, with 4. So I write 4 and I write 1, 1, 2, 0. Of course, when I minus 9 and 2, I get 7. So what is the remainder, girls? 7.
7.
70. Don't forget 0. Don't forget the 0. I get 70 as the remainder. So where do I write the remainder, girls? Usually, where do I write? Next to your answer here. I'll choose another color so that you see this is the remainder. R 70.
So the answer is 214.
And the remainder is 70.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. Yes, we just have 2 more minutes, so please complete it quickly.
Okay.
Finished.
Wait, I didn't finish yet.
I'm almost finished.
I finished.
Great.
Miss, can you show me the book with the answers?
Okay, sure.
Miss, if we finished, can we leave?
Just complete this because this still you have to do it. Good. This I'm going to explain you tomorrow about how to go with the mixed division and everything. Just copy this and tomorrow I'm going to explain you from here, from step 2, okay? If you have finished, may I leave, girls?
Yeah, I finished.
Yeah.
May I leave?
Yes.
Yes.
Girls, have a great day.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.